people have been paddled, spanked, or hit before, and I'm sure plenty of you remember it, don't you? I know I just cried because it hurt. That doesn't mean that the method worked. I'm sure a lot of you don't know the name that goes with it, so here it is: corporal punishment. In fact, in a survey I conducted, 57% of people did not know what it was. Following this further, today we will be discussing what corporal punishment is, what needs to be done to be exempt from it, and why it should be outlawed. Corporal punishment is a punishment intended to cause physical pain to a person. People tend to think of this as the obvious spanking, slapping, pinching, hitting, punching, and other physical forces that are also commonly used in fights. However, according to verywellfamily.com, it also may include forcing a child to consume unpleasant substances such as soap, hot sauce, or hot pepper. This form of punishment is legal in 19 states, including Alabama, Arizona, Arkansas, Colorado, Florida, Georgia, Idaho, Indiana, Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Mississippi, Missouri, North Carolina, Oklahoma, South Carolina, Tennessee, Wyoming, and Texas. In Texas, it is only legal if the school district allows it. So, assuming they said yes, administration is allowed to cause physical pain to students who misbehaved. Even so, there must be a way to evade this cruel form of punishment. In the case that your school district allows corporal punishment, there is one thing you can do to make sure your student isn't physically hurt by an administrator. You can send in a written, signed letter every school year forbidding them to use corporal punishment to discipline your child. Unfortunately, there are parents out there who don't care for how their children feel or that they are hurt. These parents will likely not write a letter. Along with that, they too probably use corporal punishment at home. This means that when that kid gets spanked or paddled at school, it can uncover bad memories from their home life and cause them to be unable to learn for the rest of the day. This directly contradicts the school's entire purpose, which is to educate their students. Many people say school should be a safe place for students, and usually it is. However, when people, especially younger kids, get hit or hurt, they start to lose trust for the people who hurt them. This causes school to no longer be a safe place for them. There are better ways to punish a child, ways that help connect what they did was wrong, like solo work, isolation, lunch detention, or confiscating something they were using to cause a problem. When I asked Catherine if she thought corporal punishment violated any laws, she said it violates the 8th Amendment to the Bill of Rights because paddling or spanking for a little joking around is cruel and unusual for anybody, especially when the teacher is usually fine with it. All in all, corporal punishment is one of the worst things a school can do to punish a child. It's only used because it's quick and has short-term effects that gets the kid to stop doing it for the rest of the day. It can cause a student to completely shut down and it breaks their human rights. This is something anybody in their right mind would fight for. So band with me, and today we can end corporal punishment in the state of Texas.